Greetings! Today we'll be talking about taking a screenshot of material that you see on your desktop. Okay, there are many ways to take that screenshot, and the easiest way will be to use the print screen keyboard. That button is on your keyboard. Normally it's at region next to F12 or above insert home button. So if you would like to save this particular page that you see here, just press print screen, and you can paste them in Word or any applications that would accept a paste of picture, because this print screen will automatically save the picture inside a clipboard. Or you can use a shortcut, Ctrl V. It works as well. This is one way. So what if you have a page that doesn't fit on the screen of your monitor and you would like to print screen them, such as this one? Right, this is a page that I am looking at inside a browser. This is a Chrome browser. Okay, so for Chrome browser, if you would like to save a page that is this long, you will have to do the following. First, press the shortcut key on your keyboard, Ctrl Shift I. This window will appear. Next, don't touch anything, press Ctrl Shift P, and you are prompted to key in a keyword. So in this case, to take a screenshot, you have to type screenshot, but I immediately can see that word appear on the window. So we will choose, in this case, capture full size screenshot. So just wait until a save menu is appear, or if you set the save picture to be automatically downloaded, that item will appear down there. So in this case, I just choose the name page 1, save. So I immediately get a copy of the picture in my PC. Let's preview them, and the whole page is here. So if you would like to pick this picture to appear in your Word, okay, so one of the way will be to just open this window and drag that file that you need, and which is page 01 that we saved just now, and yeah, it's pasted in here. Alright, so this is one way. Now what if you use another browser such as Firefox? If you use Mozilla Firefox offers a screenshot of the full page here, right? You just have to click this ellipses and take a screenshot, and Firefox will ask you if you want to save full page or save visible. So we choose save full page, and a preview is given to you, and just click the button download and save to the destination that you would like it to appear. So in this case, I'll just say 01 Firefox. Something happened, file is saved, and you can actually preview it from here. Right, so that's the page that we want. Actually pretty much the same as just now. And again, the same procedure. If you like it to appear in here, this is another way to do it. You can just choose insert and picture and choose your destination. Firefox. As you can see, both view looks a bit different, but you get the content that you need.